I'd like to talk a little bit about subtractive color theory and complementary colors. Itten narrated this beautifully. When complementary colors are placed next to each other, they incite each other to maximum vividness. But when you mix them together, they'll annihilate each other to gray or black. It's like fire and water. If you want to understand color theory, I suggest you read Joseph Albers' works. Now, what Albers did to study complementary colors is he would place complementary colors on either end of a line of colors, and he called these parent colors. So the parents in this case are yellow on one end and blue on the other. Those are complementary colors. In between, he blended these colors, and the in-between colors are known as children colors. So as the first child next to each parent, you can see, is a dilution of both. And the third child in the center is where subtractive color comes into play. Equal amounts of both parents subtracts color and you produce gray. Now, what's interesting when we talk about excitement, let's look at the interaction of the first children, the closest children to their parent. And you can see that you can still identify the color, the child, when on top of the parent. But to show how complementary colors excite each other visually, let's place the furthest child from the parent on top of that parent. And let's see what we have. And now you can clearly see you cannot identify that child, right? The contrast of complements makes it much more vivid. So complementary colors place adjacent, bright, vivid result. Complementary colors mixed together, dull and gray. And that's how subtractive color works.